Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to make sure your Pinterest profile shines in search engine results. If you're looking to boost your visibility and attract the right audience, you're in the right place. Let's get started with these quick and easy steps. First, open your Pinterest app. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and then click on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile. Now that you're on your profile, you need to find the profile visibility settings. To get there, navigate to your settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of your profile page, represented by a gear icon or three dots. Tap on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see Profile Visibility. Tap on it to adjust your search privacy settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Search Privacy. This setting controls whether or not your profile appears in search engine results. If the search privacy option is enabled, it means your profile is currently hidden from search engines like Google and Bing. To make your profile visible, simply disable this option. Toggle the switch to the off position. With search privacy disabled, your profile, pins, and boards can now be seen by anyone searching on Pinterest and other search engines. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully updated your Pinterest profile to be visible in search engine results. This means more people can discover your content, driving more traffic and engagement to your profile. Remember, Pinterest SEO is key to maximizing your reach. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your profile name, bio, and board descriptions to help Pinterest's algorithm understand what your account is all about. High-quality vertical images are also crucial for attracting attention and keeping users engaged. So go ahead, optimize your profile, create compelling content, and watch your Pinterest presence grow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning!